Anu, start.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning, teachers and friends. I am Yes Anupriya. Today, 7th B class going to do a prayer activity. Now, I call my friend Archana to speak about Gandhi Jayanti in English.
Good morning, friends and teachers. I am Archana from 7th B. Greeting to all my friends and teachers about Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhiji was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar, Gujarat. The world will celebrate the 152nd birth anniversary of Gandhiji, also known as the Mahatma Gandhi, and the father of the nation, on Saturday, 2nd October 2021. This day is also known as Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi was one of the greatest leaders of Indian independence movement and was popular for his non-violent means. He became an active part of the Indian freedom struggle in early 20th century. Many important movements of resistance against the British colonial rule like non-cooperation movement, Salt March, White India movement, etc. were led by him. Gandhi Jayanti is observed every year to celebrate the ideas of non-violence and unity promoted by Gandhiji. Multiple events are organized in India and abroad to celebrate the day. Thank you for this golden opportunity.
Thank you, Archana. Now I call Sai Ram to tell about Gandhi Jayanti in Tamil.
வணக்கம் நான் கே.எஸ். ஆசிரம். வணக்கம் நான் கே.எஸ். ஆசிரம். 7ஆம் வகுப்பு படிக்கிறேன். இப்பொழுது நான் மகாத்மா காந்தி பற்றி சொல்கிறேன். மகாத்மா காந்தி 1869 அக்டோபர் 2ஆம் ஆண்டு தேதி குஜராத்தின் போர்பந்தர் நகரில் பிறந்தார். மகாத்மா காந்தி தந்தையின் பெயர் காரமாசாந்தா காந்தி மற்றும் அவரது தாயின் பெயர் புட்லிபாய். காந்திஜி தந்து 15 வயதிலே திருமணம் செய்து கொண்டார். அவரது மனைவியின் பெயர் கஸ்தூரி காந்தி. காந்திஜி லண்டன் பலகை காலத்தில் சட்டம் பிறந்தார். கோபால் கிருஷ்ண கோகலே காந்திஜி தான் அரசியல் வழிகாட்டி கருத்தினார். மகாத்மா காந்தியின் பெயர் காந்திக்கு ரவீந்திரநாத் தாகூர் என்பது வழக்காட்டது. கோபால் கிருஷ்ண கோகலே காந்திஜி பெயர் காந்திஜி தான் அரசியல் வழிகாட்டினார். காந்திஜி காந்திஜி தென்னாப்பிரிக்காவில் சிவில் உரிமைக்கு கடுமையாக போராடினார். நன்றி.
Anu, he finished, Anu.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, Sai Ram. Now I call Abhinav to speak about Tirukural.
No. Abhinav? Abhinav, can you speak? It's not audible, Abhinav. Are you started to telling Tirukural? Okay, you can move on, Sanjay ma.
Okay, ma'am. Now I call Sanjay to speak about moral story.
Good morning, everybody. My name is S. Sanjay. Today I am going to tell about compassion. A cat and a man. Once a man was walking by a park and he heard a voice from nearby bushes. When he looked there, he saw that a cat was stuck there that need help. Man tried to reach down to cat to get it out, but cat got scared and scratching that man hand. Man screamed in pain but did not back out and tried again and again. Every time he tried to reach cat pulled scratching his hand. Another man saw that and said, "Live with cat would eventually find a way to come out later." That man did not pay attention and continued to try helping that cat to get out. At last, he was able to get that cat out. Once he released that cat, he faced towards another man and said, "Cat towards another. Cat is animal and its instinct to scratch and attack, but I am human and my instinct make me compassionate and kind." Moral: treat everyone around you like you want to be treated and adhere to your own rules or ethics, not theirs. Thank you.
Thank you, Sanjay. Thank you, teachers and friends. Thank you for this golden opportunity. Thank you.